What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle and I'm back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You guys are the bomb.com. Now in today's video, I want to share with you guys what my plan is for the month of August, because your girl was coming in late with the budget with me for the month of August. I realized I'd never recorded one, and so I want to do a mid-month check-in and see how we are looking for our finances and see what we have been spending our money on. The goal for the month of August is to save money and also do some small debt snowball payments, more like debt snowflake payments, just so we can get back in the habit of paying down debt quickly while growing our savings. So if that's something you want to see, then stick around. Okay, so let's jump right into my undated digital planner. I'm on my iPad in the GoodNotes app, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and jump to my monthly budget overview and start filling in the info right away. So this is for the month of August 2022, and we planned on bringing in a total of about $8,535 for the month. But in reality, we already will bring in about $11,738.79, and that is just because of a few different things. I don't budget my website income, RochelleAdamson.com, until it actually happens. I don't count any of that income until it happens. And so my husband also had some overtime that he was able to work and bring in a few extra dollars, and everything just kind of hit all at once. So that was good. We're hitting a good way. Okay. So let's talk about how we basically spent it. So first, I'm going to talk about our regular bills, which usually comes to about $3,200. And that is for rent and utilities, everything to live in this house. And let me go to my regular bills list so I can see what else we spent money on. Then I have our Peloton. That gets $40.76. Netflix will get $21. And I put Tesla on here, but I can get rid of it because we went ahead and paid for it for the year. So I don't have to worry about that one. Okay, so that's it for regular bills. So regular bills came to about $3,240. No, can't even. $3,261.76. So that is like bare minimum what we need for our bills. Now let's talk about the debt. So debt, this is probably going to take up a lot of room because we have been making a lot of small payments. So first is Mike's card. And this is the Focus. So we send extra money to that card for this month. So we sent $454. This is a balance transfer card, interest free. And so we're really trying to knock it out. Same for my credit card. I was able to consolidate a lot of my debt. So I pay $380. Tesla gets $592 this month. We have a Tesla sinking fund. We just try to stay a month ahead on that at all times. Venture got $148. And then I'm going to put the apples together. That's $200 total. And then we had another miscellaneous credit card spend of $79. That was just like annual fee for 2 cards. So that is all of the debt payments. That doesn't include the debt snowballs we have been making. These are not the minimums. I always pay a little extra. Like his card is probably like $400. I pay extra $54. Mine is $350. I pay extra $30. I just find that making small debt payments, extra debt payments, really goes a long way, and it helps to knock this down quickly. So then I had some miscellaneous purchases for my business. So I will put, that was for the Sister Locks business credit card, and that came to $96. So if you add all of that up, our debt payments came to $2,300 $429. It's our reality, guys. Oh, I'm out of frame. It's our reality, guys. It just is what it is, and we are not complaining about it. We are just paying it off. That's all I'm worried about. I'm just in the zone where I'm more concerned with saving. We used to put like way more to debt each month. If you watch some of my older videos, we would put like $1,000 debt payments every week onto our debt, but right now we are using that money instead to save because we are moving soon. So that is what we are focused on. So next, let's talk about our debt snowball. And I'll just put this right above it because it totaled $350. And this is, like we said, Micah's credit card. And so we are really proud of that credit card payment. That is a debt snowball payment in addition to the regular debt payments. Okay, now let's talk about, what should we go? What direction should we go next, y'all? Let me go back. Okay, so now let's talk about the cash. I don't know, it's just easier for me to do the higher amounts first. I am really trying to stick to a cash spending budget to cover all of our expenses except for our large grocery run because we're really trying to get a handle on what exactly we're spending our money on. And so we're also trying to cash stuff money for our moving fund, sinking fund, our travel sinking fund, and our regular sinking funds, cash sinking funds, because they, I basically started over, and so I'm starting from zero. So anyway, cash envelopes, let me go to cash envelopes. Okay, so we had $410 for week 1, and then $390 a couple days later, $180, $130, $100, $30. That was my sister Locke's biz spend. And then cash for, oh, that one hasn't happened yet. Okay, so all of this was between weeks 1 and 2. And so this hasn't happened yet. I'll just put 0. If you add all of that up, you get $1,240. So that's basically all of our miscellaneous spending that we have been making. It's been all cash. I know normally I would throw it all on a credit card and then zero it out. I don't feel like doing it this month. I'm going for easy. I'm going for cash. So that's what we did. So that's about 10%. If you really think about it, out of the 11,000, we've been living off of 10% for all of our household purchases, things like that. Like I said, it doesn't include our huge grocery run, which we're going to talk about food next. But it does include eating out because I don't pay for any of the food that we eat out with unless it comes from either the food category or cash. I'm never charging food to the game ever again. Food and gas. I'm like, that stuff adds up. Okay, anyway, moving on to food. The first half of the month, I'll put weeks 1 and 2, came to a total of $418.63. We still have some of that left over. And then for weeks 3 and 4, we're only slated to have $200 because I did some bulk shopping, so we'll just be filling in. So that's a total of $618.63 on food for the month. Still feels high, but I'll take it. I'll take it. Then what else, y'all? What else? Okay, so then let's talk about the rental property. I'll put that under miscellaneous. So of course, actually, you know what? I'm gonna put that under. I'm gonna move it. I'm going to put it under sinking fund. So we are mortgage free, but we still have to pay for things like taxes, so we still have an escrow sinking fund. So $400 of our rental property income goes there every month. And then I'm going to put under miscellaneous the property, no, I'm going to keep it, sorry y'all, I'm going to keep it under here, our property manager. We set the money aside in advance, so it's low-key a sinking fund. It has $150. My neighbors get on my nerves so bad. I don't know why they're slamming cabinets. It's just crazy. Okay. Next is my biz. So my biz got a total of $400. And so that would mean my Rochelle Adamson. I'm tripping, y'all. I'm over here writing in the wrong boxes. I can't talk and write. So this would be RochelleAdamson.com got a total of $400 to cover business expenses, business bills. Then Micah, he got a total of $400. Well, he received $200 so far, and then he'll get the other $200 when he gets paid again. And then so far we have sent to savings $355.70. And then we already talked about our debt Snowball. Then I have my independent contractor that works with me for my Rochelle Adamson business. A total of $304 slated for that person. And then electronic sinking fund. So let's come back over here. This is more of our saving. This is for our moving sinking fund. It already has $285 allocated for it, so that's good. Then, taxes, our taxes sinking fund for my business is $160. Okay, and then back up to the family. Eva gets $175.85. I'll actually put Eva/Row because that is for our Spanish courses. Eva and I are both taking Spanish classes, and that also covers some of her other homeschool activities. And then I think the last piece of the puzzle is insurance, which I put over here. I pay extra for an insurance policy outside of the term stuff, and it comes to $250. So if you add all of that up, you get $605.70 in savings. Miscellaneous is $704. And then family came to $575.85, and then sinking funds cannot count, y'all. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So plus 6 is 19. 6, 7, 8, 9. So a total of $995 went to sinking funds, which is awesome. All of our cash spending is $1240. So let's add all of these numbers up so far. Oh, and then I have, I feel like I didn't allocate this right, but in there is our giving. Yeah, because I already know for sure we gave to some things. So it's probably under this cash spending. But I also have 600. We can just put instead of expenses, we can make this leftover. We have $667.87 left for spending. And that is just because either we haven't received the full income yet, or we just haven't given it a job yet and it's sitting in our bank account. But we will. We will. Don't worry. I give every dollar a job by the end of the month. So now I just add it all up. And I'm still short. I'm short $740. What did I not add, y'all? This is why I love doing the budget on camera, because I find my mistakes. I am not including something in the budget. What is it? Cash. Okay, we did our regular bills, $32.61. Debt payments, $23.29. Cash, $12.40. Food, $618.63. The rental property came to $550. My business came to $400. Micah's money, excuse me, $400. Savings, $355.70. Debt Snowball, $350. Contractor, $304. Electronic sinking funds, $285. Insurance, $250. Eva 175.85, which is my stuff too. Taxes 160. Huh. I don't know what I did, y'all. But it's right. It's right on the in the app I'm using. So that's what I'm going by. I probably just forgot to write something down. Let me know if you guys see my mistake in the comments. You guys are so awesome. Thank you for tuning in to another video. I'll be back tomorrow with our cash stuffing for the week, where we will stuff our cash envelope sinking funds and our savings challenges. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace, love, and budgets.